My name's Harvey. I'm 18, currently studying level 3 barbering. I enjoy cutting hair, creating new shapes and styles of hair, perming, colouring, everything. Mainly colouring, to be fair though. In Kirklees College, the teachers are really good. They help you when you need them, and they're for you whenever you need it. The atmosphere in Kirklees College is really friendly, really good. Everyone's friends with each other, teachers help you out and they do the best for you. Once I finish my college course, in the future I'm hoping to maybe open up my own barbershop because currently I'm self-employed at a barber's called the Gentleman's Quarter. It's a really good business and I'm hoping I can create my own business in the future. I'd definitely recommend Kirklees College because it's helped me with my barbering journey and I'm hoping it can help you with yours as well.